Hello everyone, once again I am with you. Today we will discuss about the fertilization and implantation. During the copulation, the male penis inject the semen in female vagina. Semen have sperm, so sperm goes on the fallopian tube. If there are present ovum in the fallopian tube, so the sperm fuse with ovum and they make zygote. You can see here, this is the ovum and this is also ovum and this is the sperm. Sperm fused with ovum. This is the fertilization and also make zygote. Zygote divide into 2 cell and again divide into 4 cell and again divide into 8 cell and again divide into 16 cell. You can see here, this is the egg and this is the egg and this is the sperm. Sperm fuse and they make zygote, and zygote divide into 2 cell and also they divide into 4 cell and also they divide into 8 cell and again they divide into 16 cell. This cell like edge, this cell is the blastomeres. This cell is the blastomere. You can see in this zygote, this cell divide into 2 parts. This cell is the blastomere. There are 4 blastomere cells. There are 8 blastomere cells and there are 16 blastomere cells. So this cell is the blastomere cell. After this part, zygote have 8 to 16 cell. When zygote have 8 to 16 cell, they are called morula. They are called morula. You can see here, this is the morula. 8 to 16 cell have the morula, and morula transfer into the blastocyst. Morula transfer into blastocyst, and blastocyst have outer layer. This outer layer form with a cell. This cell is the trophoblast. Outer layer of the blastocyst is the trophoblast, and inside of the cell is the embryoblast. These are the embryoblast. You can see here, this is the egg and this is the fertilizer egg, and this is the fertilized egg, and this is the 2 cell, 4 cell, 8 cell, and this one is the blastocyst. This is the blastocyst. In blastocyst, the trophoblast. In blastocyst, the trophoblast embedded with the uterus wall, internal uterus wall. These are the endometrium. Means the trophoblast cell of blastocyst embedded with the endometrium of uterus. This process is the implantation. This process is the implantation. You can see here their definition. The blastocyst, you can see here, this is the blastocyst. Blastocyst become embedded. Blastocyst become embedded. They are embedded. Blastocyst embedded in the endometrium of the uterus. These are the endometrium of the uterus, and This one is the blastocyst, and this outer cell is the trophoblast. So, this is called implantations, and it's lead to pregnancy. Means, once again we define the implantation. The blastocyst become embedded. Means this is the blastocyst, and they are embedded with the embedded in the endometrium of the uterus. These are the endometrium. This is called implantation, and it's lead to pregnancy. And again, what happened again? The blastocyst. In the blastocyst, the trophoblast. In the blastocyst, means this is the blastocyst. In the blastocyst, trophoblast cell make a structure. This structure is the chorionic villi. This structure is the chorionic villi. Chorionic villi. This structure is the chorionic villi, and this chorionic villi makes the placenta. You can see here, this is the chorionic villi, and they make the placenta. Placenta provide the nutrients and transport the oxygen and carbon dioxide of embryo. You can see here, and in placenta some cords are raised to this embryo or placenta, from placenta, and they attach to embryo. This cord is the umbilical cord. Umbilical cord means navi. You can see in Hindi navi means placenta cord attached with the embryo. This cord is the umbilical cord. This cord is the umbilical cord, and again the embryo grow up, and again after 9 months they release from the female body. These are the birth. This process is the implantations, and this is also part of the reproductive system. And again we discuss about the sex baby. They are male or female. When we know about the sperm is a male gametes. Sperm is male gametes, and ovum is also female gametes. Male gametes have haploid like as N, and female gametes also haploid like as N. So they have sperm, ovum. This sperm have N means total 46 chromosomes occur in human body. So there are 22 plus XX, 22 plus XY, not XS, 22 by XS, and this ovum also N. These are also haploid, and diploid cell is the chromosome is the 46, and haploid is the 23. So these are 22 plus X and X. This is the 23, and this is also the 23 chromosomes. And when the X chromosome of male attached with X chromosome of female. These are the XX, and this is the baby girl. Baby girl. And when the X of female and Y of male, these are the XY. This XY is the baby boy. Baby boy. These are the sex determination of human being. These are the sex determination of human being. If male X chromosome and female X chromosome, the baby is the female, and when X chromosomes of female and Y chromosomes of male, these are the baby are the boy, because XX denote girl, baby girl, and XY denote baby boy. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this video. Okay.